Yo, so why when I posted this video? You guys just didn't even get it to 1M likes. But for other creators, you guys just flood it with comments, likes, and all that. But me, nah, you guys simply said, nah, we ain't giving you any attention. Like, bro, you don't know what someone's going through. So if you ever see my video, please at least give me 1 subscriber and 1 like.